It just fell apart in my hands, governor. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video on Chloe's little Corsa 2009 Corsa D. Today we're going to look at replacing the little dash vent, because when you hang one of those phone mounts in there, it breaks it off. Yeah, but anyway, let's have a quick look. Hopefully it'll be a quick job. And if you like what we're doing on the channel and would like to help the channel grow, please give us a thumbs up. Here's the vent in question, the new one. We got this off of eBay, and it was $12.99. It did say it was an OEM part. I don't know. It's got GM written on there, so I'm guessing it is. Anyway, to get it off, it's held in by these tabs here in the dashboard. So, I mean, you can get a screwdriver in the dashboard and just rip it out, but you might damage the dashboard. There's also a way of getting in there. I don't know if you can see in there. See in there? If I push, see? That's what we're trying to get with, well, I'll probably use a little pick or a little screwdriver. So yeah, that bit is what we're going to try and lift out. All I'm doing there is pressing that. So hopefully that will release it from the dashboard. Never done one of these before. So let's set you up and see if we can get it out. So you set up as best as you can. See what I'm doing. Never done this before. I mean, I'm going to start off by using a pick, and I've got some trim tools so we don't damage the plastic of the dashboard. So I don't really know. I mean, all I'm going to do is get in there and pull it a little bit. And then get the other end in and try and hook at that bit like I showed you out there. So that's started to go there. Oh! Just came off in my hand. It's a good job this is the buggered one. Oh, yeah, look. All come off in my hand. Right. You can see the bit's a lot easier now. Sorry, but my camera seemed to glitz out at the end of the time lapse, and I only just noticed it while I'm editing the video. So anyway, it did just pull out once it all fallen apart. Sorry. Well, as you saw, it all came apart. But basically, just got to keep pulling and pop those in, and that was it. And the new one, hopefully, should be just a case of popping it in, I suppose. Let's get rid of this pick before I stab something. Done. Sorted. Right guys, that's it for that one. Just a real quick one on how to change a vent fan. I hope it's of some use to you. Yeah, I hope if you got this problem you can fix it nice and easy too. It was quite easy, just the other one fell apart obviously, but putting the other one straight in. If you found this any use, please give us a thumbs up and look us up on Instagram, Larks_workshop, and I hope to see you next time. Cheers then. Please give us a thumbs up. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Please give us a thumbs up. I can't say thumbs up today. Please give us a thumbs up. Huh? That was rubbish. Very needy. Ooh, very needy.